The Fridge was a member of the world champion Chicago Bears. And here to induct the Fridge is our own champion, a man who hopes to remain champion tomorrow night at WrestleMania 22, the WWE champion, John Cena.
It seems as if everybody's ready for WrestleMania 22. Now, I have the honor of inducting William Refrigerator Perry tonight. It's good to see Triple H's immediate family in the house. Thank you very much for coming. When I was told that I would induct William Refrigerator Perry, me being a very big sports fan as well as a wrestling fan, and me kind of figuring that some people in the crowd would be a little bit salty. Maybe a little bit more than salty. I wondered, how could I induct such a legend and do it justice? And then it hit me. Could I get some music, please? When you look up the word refrigerator in the English dictionary, it simply says a device that's meant to keep food cool. But on any given Sunday at Soldier Field, the word refrigerator simply meant hell on earth. Known to fans for his jovial, toothless grin and Super Bowl shuffle, he was known to opposing offensive linemen that staring down the barrel of the cannon that was William Perry on game day was like staring down 1,000 raging bulls. You knew you would be hurt. You just didn't know how bad. With the power of 1,000,000 bolts of lightning and the waistline of Dom DeLuise, William Perry's success, not only in the NFL but the WWE, paved the way for the success for more two-sport athletes. Deion Sanders, Bo Jackson, Michael Jordan. With a cholesterol at a staggering 571 and an IQ to match, William Perry's strategic elimination of Big John Studd in WrestleMania 2's Battle Royal showed savvy not seen since former President Abraham Lincoln wrestled to the ground a saber-toothed tiger on the White House lawn. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my absolute honor and privilege to induct NFL icon and WWE superstar William Refrigerator Perry.
What you gotta say, Chicago? The world's best WWE fans. And what? The Chicago Bears. Hey, I am truly honored to be here and accept this award from WWE. I think back 20 years ago, when I came to Chicago and played with the Bears, how did I know I'm gonna be in the ring with Andre the Giant, Big John Studd, Tony Atlas, Killer Bees? I mean, all these guys I watched growing up. Unbelievable. I get to come off the top rope. Hey, it was an earthquake, but I did come off the top rope. I did come off. But it is a truly honor to be inducted into the Wrestling Hall of Fame. People recognize you from football and you in another sport, and they put you in the Hall of Fame. That's unbelievable. That is unbelievable. I'm not gonna sit up here and give you a long story, because everybody else did. and we got more to come. And it's a great honor being on the stage with all these inductees, and watch, it's some more to come. Thank you. Chicago.